Meaning of emerald green.
Emerald green.
Emerald green.
Emerald green.
Emerald green. Emerald green is a shade of green that has a rich and deep tone, similar to the color of the precious gemstone emerald. It is a saturated color that is often associated with luxury, elegance, and sophistication. This hue can be described as being both bright and dark at the same time, making it a highly sought-after color in various industries, such as fashion, jewelry, and interior design. Overall, emerald green is a bold and eye-catching color that exudes a sense of vibrancy and opulence.